Auto Imports strives for 100% customer satisfaction. All of D's quality vehicles are thoroughly inspected before they are offered with a D's 90-day drive-away, limited warranty. Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Chevrolet Malibu LT2. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 162,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city, and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, and power windows. Purchase this vehicle with confidence now and get D's 90-day drive-away, limited warranty.